Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing. I do makeup and skincare and sometimes hair care on this channel. Today I am going to review this Dermaco multi-peptide hair serum. I am using this almost for 6 to 7 months and this is my fourth or fifth bottle. This costed me 550 rupees for 60 ml of product quantity. This is the outer packaging, a very simple minimalist packaging, the way Dermaco packagings are. And this is the bottle. On the label you can see Procapil and caffeine, which are the main key ingredients of this serum. And not only that, on the back side you get the full ingredient list and a manual how to use this serum. So let me tell you, Procapil just stimulates the hair follicles and prevents their aging, and caffeine just increases the blood flow on the scalp so that you get more hairs and the hairs become healthy. The texture is like watery, and the best thing I love about this serum, this is not oily, and after just it gets dried, our hair gets dried, it do not seems like you have applied anything on your face. I love that this packaging has a sprayer instead of a dropper, so that it becomes very easy to just spray 5 or 6 times on your scalp and then massage it into your scalp and you are done. Just keep it in mind that you should wash your scalp after 3 to 4 hours after using the serum, otherwise you will not get the maximum result. I use it on dry scalp and I generally use 5 to 6 sprays at a go, and I use it once daily, though it is written on the packaging that you should use it twice daily. But I have got a nice result from this once in a day usage, and I will recommend you to use once a day, because if you use it twice a day, you will finish off this in no time. I finish off one bottle in like 2-3 weeks. This is color free, but it has a very strong fragrance, which I find is quite relaxing. But if you are allergic to fragrances, please stay away from this one. This serum has a shelf life of 2 years. Now let me talk about my experience. I had a bald spot right there in this part, just in the front section of my middle. If I do a middle section, you'll see a bald. You could see a bald spot before right here, but after using this for 5 to 6 months, I can see that bald spot is quite nicely covered with small hairs, and I can see small hair growth here and there. So I would recommend you to use this. Also, I would like to say that it has castor oil, and I know a few people who are allergic to castor oil. So if you are allergic to castor oil, if you are one of them, this serum wouldn't work for you. So I really liked this hair growth serum, and I can see a nice amount of hair growth after using this. Not only that, my mom loves it too. So I think this is a very nice serum to use. I would highly recommend this serum if you are experiencing hair fall or just having a little bit of bald spots like me. You can definitely give it a try. I know hair fall is sometimes hereditary and sometimes it is due to diet, but sometimes hair products work. I didn't expect it to work like this, but it did work for my case, and I hope it does work for you too. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye till my next video.